All right. So module 13, question number 3 in the exercises, it asks you to create something that looks like this. Okay. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, a column for each rating. Okay. And then simply just the number of movies that have that rating in each column. So 210 movies with the NC-17 rating. That's terrible. All right. I don't know what the world's coming to. But anyway, let's go ahead and create that. This is going to be a pretty easy view to create. And if you think back on it, we're just using the case function here, which in the case function allows us to create columns, new columns that have certain values, which can be aggregates here, which is actually what we're going to need. So let's first, before we actually create the view, we'll just do the query. And then after that, it's a simple matter of adding the create view syntax on top of that. So, so we're going to do select. Okay, this is, oh, by the way, it would be good to figure out which table we're going to be getting this information from. I would guess that most likely it's going to be the film table. So let's go ahead and call that out. Because we just need the table that has the movies and, or excuse me, the ratings, that has all the ratings of every movie. So if I remember correctly, that should be from the film table. So let's just have a look at that. And yeah, we have a listing of every single movie. It's only one listing of the movie since this is the primary key, is the film ID. So we're not going to be duplicating. Then we have a rating column. So this should be really easy to create here. Okay. So, all right. So we're going to select. So we're just going to do a couple different cases, one case for each column. So sum, we call the sum function on this because we're going to want to sum it up. Case when rating equals G, then, so what we'll do is every time the rating is G, we'll have it give it a value of 1. Okay, and if it's not G, then we'll give it a value of 0 so that when it sums it up for everything that's G, it just takes 1 value. Okay, and okay, as, and we'll give that the name G, so that column the name G. Okay, sum, okay, case when rating equals PG, then 1, else 0, and as PG, sum case when rating equals R, getting into the naughty movies that we're not going to watch, and 1, else 0, and then we'll give it column title R, and then sum case when NC 17 and 1 else 0 and NC 17 film. Okay, run that. I think that should give us everything that we need here, but we will just confirm. All right, and perfect. So then the question actually asks us to create a view, which is the whole point of this whole unit. So we just create the view. Very simple, create view syntax. View, whatever this is, well, we can call it whatever we want, but ratings sum, okay, as okay. So let's just confirm it's here. From ratings sum. And perfect. All right, so hopefully that's helpful. If you were having any trouble on that, that's a pretty straightforward one. As always, let me know if you have any questions. And thanks and have a blessed day.